morning, YouTube. Let's see what Thursday brings at Meineke Cinnamon. Alright, so yesterday I took off the mismatched exhaust system they had under here. And you can see how nice and even it pretty much is. So I do a lot of vintage and antique car exhaust work for this customer. He's very specific on how it looks underneath the car and also the tailpipe location and all that stuff. So he purchased this kit online, so I'm making it fit and making it look good. But you can only do so much with what they have there, but it's actually not too bad. Looks really good. So I went with the clamps back here. I'm gonna weld everything else in. And if I went with their hoopty clamps, it pushes the exhaust system up too high, because the resonators would rattle on the back because of the bends in here are just not 100% correct. So it looks like someone used program cards and made up an entire kit, which they did a nice job. And I did a nice job installing it. So I'm gonna finish this up. And then he has a set of load carriers. They used to call them spring guards at Midas. I hate these things, but this is a cheap alternative to not doing the job right. Not my favorite thing to install. But this is what I'm getting paid to do, so I don't want to do it. Excited for today? Me too. Get up and go to work.